I mean Medivac
Medivac will be there. Yes.
and first aid. First aid. And mock drill, regular mock drill.
Yeah.
I think we have got sufficient mitigation also. Anything I'm missing, Rakesh, here in mitigation?
Can put speed limits.
Yeah, speed limit. Yes, true. Yeah. Okay. I think we have covered all mitigations, so we are safe. That is good that we have covered this part hydrocarbon, because yes, we are changing some existing piping for dead leg, and this is good. So guys, I will be moving
And
to the next.
one point also, are there any hydrocarbon? Are we part of this project? Because they are adding some gauges, right, as part of one of the package. What is that?
Santosh and Indu?
Yeah, AIT we are adding on the equipment nozzles,
What is
replacing the
AIT?
LT
What is AIT?
analyzer. Sudeep,
Analyzer. Okay.
That
Okay,
is
analyzer.
related to water dipping gauge we mentioned, 9.18. That
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah,
So we have
include that as
PNX.
well. Yeah, include that, replacing piping segment deadlock, and in the sources itself, you can add one more source,
AIT.
AIT for
and
no,
we are
no,
also changing handwall
no,
to
no, don't
MOV.
put there. Don't put there after, no, no. After deadlock, you can put 1.6.2, you can put it.
Okay. Okay, so AIT. So what I suggest, Rakesh, we agree. Let us put it here. Otherwise, we have to repeat everything for this
Yeah,
also.
yeah, no, no, it's okay. Either you put it just below, yeah, in the same
Okay.
continuation, you can put
AIT and
AIT.
instrument.
No, just write it oil in water analyzer.
Yeah, oil in water analyzer for
Rather than
equipment.
AI mention oil in water analyzer.
Okay. And any MOV? MOV, correct?
Yes,
Yeah,
MOV.
HOV to MOV replacement.
Yeah, MOV. HOV to MOV. HOV. Any other thing? Hydrocarbon? Because this is a good opportunity to make a complete HAZID workshop. Huh?
What is this MP21 pump discharge line diversion?
This one is HOV to MOV.
Oh, okay, so you are changing the manual valve to MOV, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
then put that
9.9.
9.9.
This